Hello, ladies. It's Fiona here. Fiona. And, first, thank you for inviting me, but I'm really sorry. Hindi ako makakarating. By the way, I'm recording this pa ng mga around midnight na so. Sorry, walang face. Okay, anyway, I would like to congratulate si Dean and Kai for having another member sa family nila. And then, si Angel, of course, na magiging ate na soon. And of course, si Sky. Always eat healthy. And magpapahinga, wag papa-stress masyado. And so, sana I wish you and the baby good health. Tsaka yung easy journey throughout the pregnancy. I miss you all and I hope to see you all soon. Enjoy the party. Bye-bye.